Whether you're driving a brand new vehicle or your ride's new car smell wore off long ago, adding new accessories can go a long way toward making your car feel fresh and personalized. From simple phone holders to rooftop car tents, there are so many car gadgets on the market to make your next road trip a fun, smooth, and memorable affair. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Losing something important in one of your car's many dark nooks or crannies can turn a 10-minute repair job into a frustrating hour-long affair. Not only will this wireless endoscope from Depstech help you locate the dropped 10mm socket, but it can also help retrieve it thanks to its multiple attachments. This device works wirelessly and projects the image from its tiny camera onto your cell phone screen. While some new vehicles come with a wall-style AC outlet in the interior, virtually every car has a 12-volt outlet. This inverter turns that common 12-volt outlet into the 110-volt kind. This model provides one plug and up to 150 watts. Other models have more plugs and power output at added cost. This inverter includes two USB ports capable of fast charging at 3.1 amps. Long drives and road trips can be very exhausting, and taking a nap in the car when pulling over can be very uncomfortable. It would be very handy to have a mattress that you could just inflate, and it would fit either in the trunk or back seat area of your car. The car mattress is purposefully made for these situations, but also for camping trips. Having an outdoor gadget that can produce water pressure can come in handy during long cross-country road trips or on car camping trips. Having the option of hot water in all these situations is even more useful, which this portable shower offers. It can be connected to the cigarette lighter socket to heat or reheat the water, making it ideal in situations when you're on a car camping trip or cross-country road trip and water is available. On car camping trips, in the outdoors, good quality and reliable power source can be very useful, especially if it's renewable. This portable power station is ideal for car camping trips if you want to power your devices such as laptops or smartphones or keep the lights on after dark, as well as useful for any extra power supply you may need while outdoors. If you prefer a certain type of espresso coffee and want to be able to bring it with you in almost any circumstances, the portable espresso machine is the solution. It needs absolutely no power whatsoever. It's completely manually operated. Just by adding your favorite espresso into the filter basket and hot water into the tank, you can make your coffee just the way you want it in the office, on a camping trip, or in your car. Sometimes car seats can be very uncomfortable, especially if you suffer from back pain or other types of conditions where your seating position and comfort are important. This gel seat cushion consists of gel memory foam and a non-slip rubber bottom so that it doesn't move during use, making it an ideal solution to your seating problems. Having a lot of work to do from your laptop while spending lots of time on the road? Want to take your laptop for the holidays just in case something comes up? This car desk is easily mounted onto the steering wheel of your car, providing you with a firm and adjustable office space while you do work. It's useful for anyone using their car as an office, and it keeps your laptop from slipping and falling with pen slots on the sides. GPS technology allows us to know the location of a vehicle almost in real time. This GPS tracker can be easily placed in any vehicle and does not need any type of battery, and it sends location information straight to your smartphone or other devices. It's particularly helpful if your car gets stolen. When accidents do occur, it's important to be able to exit the vehicle safely, and sometimes seat belts or glass windows are the obstacles. This tool can break through glass and cut off seat belts, which can save the health and life of an injured person in a road accident. A flat or deflated tire can turn a road trip into a bumpy and annoying ride without noticing any warning signs. A flat tire may require mounting a new one, which is time-consuming and expensive. To reduce this risk, a tire safety monitor is useful for monitoring the air pressure and temperature of car tires while driving and enabling the driver to keep track of this on a full-color display. This car diagnostic scanner allows you to check your engine, ABS, airbag, and other car components digitally with live data, very useful for checking if everything is running well before taking a long trip. Just plug it in and wait for the results. Connect and analyze the data on your desktop or laptop computer with the Bluetooth data transfer option and update the scanner via the internet. For a safe trip with your car or any unusual situation you may get into, a good emergency kit is a necessity that will assure you're prepared for almost anything. This roadside rescue kit has almost everything a driver or passenger may need in the case of an emergency or inconvenient situation, such as a first aid kit, jumper cables, and a heavy-duty tow strap. Driving safely and avoiding hefty fines and restrictions should always be on top of the list when it comes to road safety. Having your own breathalyzer makes this easier to monitor and helps to avoid driving if not fit to do so. This breathalyzer is portable and easy to use. Smog, air pollution, and tobacco residue are the biggest contaminators of our air quality and can have an effect on our health and comfort in indoor spaces. To solve this problem, an air purifier is needed in all these spaces, and an important area is definitely the car. The Go Pure detects the amount of clean air in the area while purifying the rest with its 3-filter system. It's easy to mount on the back of the seat of a car and can get rid of smoke, odors, dust, pollen, and other harmful particles in the air. Regular air fresheners usually include chemical fragrances that can have an uncomfortable odor or be a health risk. This car essential oil diffuser makes it possible to put 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil on it, and it does the rest of the work. This backseat organizer provides multiple pockets that are easily mounted to the back of the seats and can hold items such as kids' toys, laptops, tablets, and many other items you may want. It doesn't even take up much room so that people comfortably fit in the back seat. During a smooth drive in your car or truck, or during a long trip, there are a few things more annoying than dropping your smartphone between the seats and having to stop and look for it while moving your seat. The solution to these problems is the car seat gap filler, which fits around your seat belts and stops any items from falling to those inaccessible spots, saving time and patience. Camping lovers that are seeking a handy, easy-to-set-up tent that can be transported with ease can fully appreciate the features of a rooftop tent. This lightweight tent can fit up to 3 people. It's simple to install and set up while fitting perfectly on your car's roof. This car kettle is a stainless steel water boiler and heater, 2 in 1, which means you can either keep your beverage warm or make a new one with the same kettle if you're on a camping trip or holiday. It can fit in most compartments in the car and uses the cigarette lighter socket as a source of power. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the following videos here. Until then, stay safe and take care.